Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing the video word chart for the right angle weave. In the last video we got as far as set 7 in row 5 and then we ran low on string. So in this video I'm going to show you about adding new string. Now normally when I run out of string I just secure my string and then I add my second string however I feel like. But with the word charts, you have to make sure that your new string is in the same position as your old string so that the word chart will continue to fall together correctly. So to facilitate this, what I recommend is before you secure your old string, you add your new string. So as our old string is exiting this bead here, we will enter this bead with our new string, bring in about 4 inches, and then we will secure the new string from this position. Now I'm going to go down. What I like to do is do like a figure 8 weaving back and forth along a row, but I'll go 3 instead of just 2. So we go down 1, then across the center bead, and then down another, and back across the center bead, and then down 1 more, and across the center bead. And then I go back the direction I came from, go up the side bead and across the center bead, and then up the next side bead, across the center, and then up the next one. And then I'll be crossing the center one where I started. And then I shall clip off the excess. Make sure you are clipping the correct string. Don't want to accidentally clip the wrong string. So now our new string and our old string are exiting from exactly the same position. So we know that when we begin working on our piece again, we will be exactly where we need to be. So now you can take your old string and secure it. I'm going to go across this way. So we'll go up, and then this will be our side, and then the center, side, center, and then one more time, and then we'll go back exactly the direction we came from. And I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to head back into my piece. That way my string is not sticking out where I'm going to be working. I'm going to clip off the string here. And then while we are at securing strings, we will also secure our other end. I use tape, so it just slides right off of my monofilament line. And then you just do the same thing. You can choose any direction. I'll go up this side bead and through the center. So you just choose your side and center, and then you go, I'll say 3 center beads. once you've gone your 3 center, you just head back the direction you came from. And once you get back where you began, you can clip off the excess. And this type of securing works well with most beads. If you have beads that have very large holes, you may need to either thread back further or something to help make sure your string is secure. And now we have our new string, and in the next video we will continue row 5 and row 6. Hope to see you there.